Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. Are we recording? All right, cool. So I'm sure everybody's heard about Credit Suisse and Deutsche Bank and all those, and the banks that there's rumors that, they're gonna fucking, fail and they're insolvent and they're gonna go under and stuff. And while that actually might be true, again, we don't know. If you actually want to make money, go ahead, short Credit Suisse, right? But they're going to have to sell off all of their assets. They're going to have to sell off their stock, their crypto, everything. They're going to have to sell everything off because if they want to have some sort of money and not completely go fucking bankrupt into zero, this is what you guys want to short. Short their biggest fucking holdings. It's an easy play. If you guys think that Credit Suisse is actually going under, right? I'm pretty sure that it's going to dive down extremely hard tomorrow, I'll be honest. If Credit Suisse and Deutsche Bank this is actually happening to them, find their biggest holdings. This is their 13F filing, right? The most recent 13F. Go to Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google. Their biggest holdings are fucking big tech. Short the QQQ, short the NASDAQ. That's what I'm fucking doing right now, right? I'm watching BitBoy's video because I think that's all dumb and shit, right? I don't think it's good. I made $2,300 today. I am shorts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am short. What's 7 times? I don't even know. 4 times 40. Each 4 that you see there, each 4 lot is 40 Ethereum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4 is what? 7 times 4 is 30. I'm short like 300 plus Ethereum right now, right? I actually added shorts as soon as I saw that huge bounce right now. And like I said, I hope to God that everybody, all of BitBoy's following is FOMOing into crypto so I can short the shit out of it. Because I think that crypto is going to crash in the next, today or tomorrow or this week or something. If you want to do something that's actually good, go to their 13F, look at what they're holding for Deutsche or for Credit Suisse, and start shorting all of these fucking stocks as soon as there's actual confirmation that Credit Suisse or Deutsche Bank is insolvent. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.